Itshantliziyo lomzabalazo uSeth Mazibuko uvakalisa ukudana ngemisitho yesikhumbuzo seminyaka engamashumi kwenzeka udushe lwango-1976 lwephulo I-Soweto Uprising esithi ayibonisi intsingiselo yokwenyani noqhankqalazo lwabafundi lwembali. UMazibuko udiza ukuba iintsapho zabo basweleka kwiphulo zibekelwa bucala kwimisitho kwaye azinikwa ithuba elaneleyo ukuba yinxalenye yesikhumbuzo. Ukanti kaMazibuko ukwatyhola abaququzeleli kunye neenkokheli zepolitiko ngokusebenzisa imisitho yesikhumbuzo njengempembelelo kwezopolitiko endaweni yokugcina ilifa lephulo leSoweto Uprising.
It gets very emotional, the issue where people will get into extremes of even interpreting June 16 as according to the gospel of a particular organization. When we marched in 1976, we did not have any organization, any movement. We were clean students. And if we are going to gather our young people into this hall to indoctrinate them on certain policies of certain organizations, that's dangerous. We are creating fire for ourselves. And I'm praying for the people of Soweto. Let's save this day. There's the very commitment that is coming out there. Speak of decolonization of curriculum. What have we done with the curriculum of June? What have we called June 16? The name. What have we called Sharpeville? We've called it human rights because it is black blood, it's useless. What have we done to Shaka's Day? We've called it other names, Heritage Day. What have we done to Impiasa Sandwana? We've called it Reconciliation Day. That's how and then the next thing, we come here to come and tell people there's a whole year's program that is coming. We've been having these whole year's programs. What has happened? They were supposed to have told us here, we did this, and now we are here. They've done this, our children at the worst. The CEO, all these people are standing up there. Let them compare their salaries with the 350 they're giving the very people they're representing. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. South Africa must get its act together.